On me. Wait.
Just cooking.
Oh my god, I murdered that man! I murdered you! I'm so